Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Connect Civilian. So in this lecture we will see how to calculate the quantity of cement and sand for plaster work. Okay, so here is the value you have to put for the ratio. So this is 1:6 I'm going to take. So this plaster ratio will be between 1:3 to 1:6 you can take. Okay, so it will depend on the exposure condition also. Okay, so here I am going to take 1:6. Now the area that of the wall we have to do the plaster is length was 10 meter, height was 3.5 meter, and the thickness of the wall is 0.012, that is 12 mm. So we are going with the internal first. So for internal you can go up to from 12 mm to 15 mm, and for the exterior walls you can take up to from 20 to 25 mm of plaster. Okay, so here after calculating, here are two of the columns here for plane surface and for rough surface. What is plane surface? If you see the brick, one portion where the name was printed of the company or brand, okay, where the brick is coming, so that was the rough surface. So where the more mortar will be used between that. Okay, so we have to increase the wet volume quantity by 20% for that. So if you are using the plane surface, that is the another surface which is equal, there is no curvature, so we are going with the same quantity of wet calculated, we don't have to increase. So if you are going with plane, so you have to follow these data, and if you are going with the rough surface, so you have to follow these data. Okay, so wet volume calculated for plane surface is 0.42 and for rough surface is 0.504, as it is increased by 20%. Okay, so dry volume constants, so I given another column for these because you can change your dry volume. Generally we have taken 33% of the wet volume. Okay, so here we are going to take for both the plane and rough also. So our dry volume will calculated as 0.55 for plane and 0.67 for rough. So you have to change the only the if you want to the density of cement and sand, so it will vary according to the place and according to the type of soil or sand. Okay, so I have already told you the values for the density of cement, sand and aggregate in the previous lecture where we have defined about the quantity of concrete. Okay, so you can go and check. I will provide the link of that video in the end of the video. Okay, so here we have given all the values. Now cement quantity will be, volume of cement is equal to 0.08 m3 for plane and for rough 0.096. So volume of cement bag is calculated as 115 kg. In kg it is calculated, and 2.3 will be in bags. Okay, similarly here also, and sand quantity will coming as 16.91 square feet for cubic feet, sorry, for plane, and for the rough surface it is 20.29. So this will easily calculate all the values, and this calculation will be same as our concrete quantity where we have find the cement and aggregate value. So we have also done the manual calculation for that, so you can go and check first that video so you can easily understand how it is calculating, or otherwise you don't have to do anything. All you need to do, you have to just change the cement sand ratio and the dimension what you have to do, and just check these values, the constants and density, and other value will be calculated by itself. Okay, so you don't have to change any values. And for water ratio, so how much water is required for the plaster of this area. Okay, so it will depend on the experience and the exposure condition, how it is exposure condition was there, if there is any humidity or and so what. So it will depend also on the temperature. Okay, so after mixing your cement and sand properly with this ratio, you can add the water. Don't add the water together first, and after that you can adding these. Okay, so first mix this cement and sand, after that you can add according to the given proportions. Okay, so you can go with IS code also. So this is one IS 1661 1972. Okay, so this code is generally for plaster and brickwork, so you can find what type of plaster use and how much putty weight was there and lime weight was there, so you can go with this IS code. Okay, so here on page number 19 it is shown quantity of water. So for general cement plaster work, so ratio was taken with 1:3 here. Proportion, the quantity of water required about 70% of by weight of cement. Okay, so how much we have calculated the weight of the cement here. So here we have calculated cement as, so here it is 1440 kg. Okay, sorry, it is, this is the density, and here we have calculated 115 kg. So we have to calculate according to this, and it in code it was showing 70% for ratio 1:3. Always remember it is for ratio 1:3. Okay, so it will depend on your expertise also. So these are the conditions where the water quantum will depend. So nature and the condition of fine aggregate. This is talking about the sand. Okay, temperature, humidity at the time of working, richness of the mix, namely whether rich or linear, the varying quantities of lime in composite mortar, and use of admixture added for improving the workability. So on these conditions your water ratio will be depend. Okay, if you will follow like these, so it will uh, help you to add the water according to your proportion. But if you don't know, so you can go with IS code as we have provided for the sorry, for the concrete. You can go with that ratio also. Okay, either your experience will be added for these calculations. Okay, so so this I'm sure this uh, Excel will help you to calculate the volume for the calculation of cement and sand. Okay, for plaster work. So I'll provide the link in the description for this Excel sheet. You can download it and also add the video for the concrete also at the end of the video, so you can check that video also. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.